The Global Biodiversity Information Facility is a fantastic place to find information on the world's biodiversity. For example, occurrence records and maps are widely used. Recently, GBIF added the ability to find images, videos, and even sounds. We created GBIF Soundscape to explore the sounds in GBIF and attempt to reconstruct the soundscapes at a particular location. GBIF Soundscape will benefit public stakeholders such as teachers and school students by showing a fun and interactive way of exploring biodiversity data. Users can explore different habitats and create their own soundscapes. We hope you enjoy GBIF Soundscape.